Hi my friends, my name's Justine, I'm the Mermaid Seamstress, and today I'm going to be unboxing a very special box from Mermaid Nina. This video is not just an unboxing, this is actually a very special collaboration with my good friend Mermaid Nina from Neenernoodles. She has an awesome channel on which she does really cool mermaid DIYs. She's done some which I know are in this box, and I'll show you those in a second. But she does like mermaid crowns, she's done these really cute jellyfish lanterns, and I'm so excited to be sharing some of her content with you guys. She's gonna be unboxing a surprise tail that I made her, and I'm so excited to see her reaction to it. So if you want to see that reaction to it, go ahead and go over to her channel and check her out and look for that video. Subscribe to her channel so that you don't miss any of the DIYs that are coming out of this box. So the first thing I noticed, there is a note. And the note says, "Hi Justine, I hope everything has arrived safe and sound and that nothing has been roughed up. In this set of DIYs, I have included a mermaid headband from my second video," so she actually has that tutorial up already, 2 mermaid circlets, awesome, I'm really excited for those actually, a mermaid crown, potion ingredient bottles, jellyfish for my first 2 videos. Those are really cute. I'm so excited to see those. And lots of love. Aw, Nina, that's so sweet. I hope you enjoy everything I made. Thank you again for doing this collaboration with me. It means a lot. I love your videos so much, so please keep up the great work. I look forward to seeing your reaction to everything. Best, Nina, Neenernoodles. Thanks, Nina. I'm so excited to open this box. Let's get... Okay, the first thing I noticed when I opened this box is the jellyfish lanterns. These are my absolute favorite. So this was the first DIY she did over on her channel. Uh-oh. And there's one of the circlets, but I'll show you guys that in a second. But aren't these so gosh darn cute? I'm really excited to put these up in my room. But they're so cute. I love them. Thank you, Nina. Okay, so that's those. And then, oh my gosh, the circlets. So this is one, I think she said there were 2 circlets. Yeah, there's 2 circlets. So this is one of them. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can, hold on, it's gonna take me a little bit. But it's got a little crescent moon with a gem. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try it on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it so much. I love how low it goes down actually. That's really cool. Okay, and I see the other one in here. Guys, look at this. This one's a little bit simpler, but I actually love it. The design with the wires is actually more complicated. It's so pretty. I'm gonna try this one on because this one's so cool. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. This is gonna be great when swimming. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Nina, these are beautiful. These are so pretty. Ah. Oh, I see potion bottles. Oh, they're different. Okay. Oh, 3 bottles. Okay. So we've got mermaid tears. And I don't know if you can see this, unicorn tears. This one's pink, and so the mermaid tears are blue. And these are fairy tears. These are green. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So there's those. And then the other potion bottles, there's 2 bottles of moss. Very important in potion work. And then what else? Oh, here's the other one. Okay. 2 bottles of crystal flowers. So there's one in green and one in pink. Aren't those cool? Look, they're so sparkly. I love it. I love it, I love it. Oops, this is coming off. Can't be a mermaid without shells. They're so beautiful. Thank you, Nina. Oh, and there's one more. Oh, wow. So Nina actually wrote to me about these ones. These are called metal tears. And she said it's actually hot molten metal that's dropped in water. and you're supposed to, I don't know if you can see the shapes in there. It kind of looks like trees, which she said is supposed to mean, so that the shapes that they make when they drop is supposed to kind of bring you luck or give you good luck or be your future. And the tree shapes apparently mean growth. And so she's wishing me growth. And I think that's so sweet, and I appreciate that so much. So excited about these. Thank you, Nina. And then, so what's left on the list? So this looks like a crown. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how pretty. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Look. I don't know if it'll let me show you, but look. It's got pearls and sparkles and these gorgeous shells. Focus, please. There we go. I love this shell in the middle, this one. Moment of truth, I'm gonna try it on. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Nina. Thank you. Okay. Last thing in the box is the headband from one of her tutorials. And I'm so excited. I've been envying this headband for since she posted the video. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. And I'm so beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, and it's covered on both sides. So she actually has the tutorial of how to make this exact crown on her channel. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on. I don't want it to break. Oh my gosh. Nina, this is by far my favorite. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Like, you could definitely, I'm so excited to go swimming with this one. So a huge thank you to Mermaid Neenernoodles for sending me this box. It is so, I love everything in it. I can't tell you enough. Like, everything is so beautiful. So if you want to learn how to make any of these items that she sent me, go over to her channel and check it out. Make sure to subscribe to her channel so that you don't miss when these videos, when these DIYs are coming out. These are all so cool, and I want you guys to be able to make your own and see how she made these, because they're absolutely incredible. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and go check out the unboxing that Nina is gonna do over on her channel, Neenernoodles. The description for her channel, again, is gonna be in the description box, as well as the iCard. Go check out the tail unboxing that she's gonna do on her channel, where she's gonna unbox one of the tails that I made for her. It's a surprise tail, and I'm so excited for her to see it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, fish friends.